In this video we're going to continue where we left off in the previous video, where we had just created our first component called grid1, and now what we'd like to do is save this component and put it into an A5W page so that we can show the component in our application. So let's go ahead now and choose the Save Page button over here, and we'll open the page in the editor after we save it. And let's go ahead here and call this, say, page 1, and now we can go ahead and save it. So, and then there's our component in the HTML editor, and I'm going to just resize that to make it easier to see. And there's the WYSIWYG view. So we can now go here and basically type any information that we want on this HTML page. So we can go here and type in Alpha Software Grid 1 and save it away. So now if we go to look inside our control panel, you can see here we have a page called page 1 and we have a component called grid 1. Now we created this page from within the grid editor by just saying save page, but of course you can also go and create a page, a blank page here. Let's go here and create a blank page and switch to WYSIWYG view, and I'll go here and call this page 2, and I'll say this is page 2 and set that, say for example, into a heading. And I'll go ahead here now and save this page. And now another way in which you can insert components into a page is from within the page editor. You just click the insert component button, and then any of the components that you've previously created can be selected. So here's grid 1, so we can go ahead there and select this component and stick it into the page. So now we've basically got our page over there, and if we go ahead now and do live preview, that's going to run this component, this page in the server. So you can see here is our page running in Firefox, and it's an Ajax grid. As you can see, basically when the callbacks are happening and when we do paging or sorting, it's all happening very quickly because it's just an Ajax callback to get the new data. So what we've shown in this quick start here is how to start Alpha 5, create a new Alpha 5 database, which can also be thought of as a project, and then create your first grid component against a SQL backend, then put that grid component into an A5W page, and then publish that page and view it in your browser.